Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you like that new intro. Today I have the Ulefone Note 8P. This is an ultra budget phone coming at $60, and for that we get Android 10 Go Edition, 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of RAM, the MediaTek 6747, pretty old shit but not bad, a tiny 2700 mAh battery, 5.5 inch display, teardrop design, Android 10 Go Edition, dual rear camera, probably fake, you know the drill. So yeah. Oh, it opens like this. Okay, this is a mess. Not the most pleasant unboxing experience, but here you have the phone. It feels tiny in the hand. Feels tiny and pretty cheap, to be honest. This feels like a cheap glossy. I mean, not completely cheap, but you know, pretty cheap. So we have our manuals, a bunch of manuals here. We have these kind of chargers. I don't want to take it out of the bag, but basically this kind. And our micro USB cable. We also have a clear silicone case and an extra screen protector. We also have this SIM adapter, which kind of looks worrying. I guess this isn't a nano SIM. The battery is non-removable, but we do, yeah, unfortunately, this is our SIM card. It is not a nano SIM, but I don't know why they wouldn't make this a nano SIM. I guess Ulefone is just cutting down as much as possible, but, you know, let's see if the phone is any good. Okay, so the phone is now turned on. It's currently connected to a power bank because the battery arrived flat on 0, even beyond 0. So first impressions, you know, it feels very cheap. It doesn't feel very good in the hand, and it's small. But the display isn't too bad, and viewing angles aren't that good, but when you're viewing it head on, it's not too bad actually. So I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. Okay, so the phone is all set up. I had to disable Wi-Fi during the setup because it was stuck on the screen at checking for updates and these kind of phones usually sometimes it takes forever. So yeah, display doesn't look too bad. Okay, it isn't responding. Let's try this again. I just signed into my Google account. Oh my god, it's so slow. Oh my god. Okay, finally. Okay, phone has weak specs. It's understandable that it takes a few minutes to settle. So right now it's looking a bit better. Yeah, it's lag city. Let's look at that. But we have an app drawer at least. Let's go to settings. We have face unlock. Let's see how this works. We have no fingerprint sensor, of course, so yeah. Face unroll. This is the distance. Oh yeah, let's see how it performs. That was very slow. Okay, so it's again. Oh my god. I'm gonna try this close up, see if it's any better. It's actually worse. Okay, there we go. It's actually installing the apps. That's a miracle. And the battery is going down. That's fun. Biggest lag in the West. Nope. Even without ads, it's still lagging. So yeah, knife fit is a no-go. Not gonna waste your time too much. Let's try WindRider. Okay, WindRider is lagging, stuttering. Yeah, okay, it's kind of playable, but not really, because you can barely control the character. I mean, if you were really bored, yeah, I guess you could do it, but yeah, not really. Phone's not really meant for gaming at all. Yeah, see? Okay, so the quality isn't actually as bad as I was expecting it to be. It's pretty good, maybe a bit quiet, but no distortion, no bad quality. The speaker is decent for the price. Time to test the camera. Let's see where the camera is at. Alright, first selfie. Let's go outside. So the picture quality actually is quite good for the price, and considering everything else on the phone pretty much sucks. Now you might hear me say in the video test that the pictures aren't good. That's before I got a chance to look at them on my computer. So yeah, in my opinion, the pictures are not that bad, really. Rear facing video on the Ulefone Note 8P, tops up at 720p. The stills camera, it's really bad. The viewfinder currently is stuttering. You don't have to actually videos like that. But I'm guessing the video isn't that good either. Just walking around, they really just put the worst cameras they could find just to cut down the cost. Yeah, not good. Front facing video on the Ulefone Note 8P. This is 480p. Not that good. Yeah, this is uh yeah. Don't make any movies on this phone. Yeah. Alright guys, that is pretty much it. So should you get this phone? I'm gonna say no. I mean, I know the phone is only $60, so don't go in the comments like, oh, what do you expect? It's only $60, bro. You'd be surprised how many of those comments I get. Well, here's the thing. There are phones that cost $60 that are actually better than this. Even cheaper phones that perform better. So, Ulefone, they took an opportunity to make a phone that's really bad. There's absolutely nothing, no inspiration to this phone. They just made it to make money. I bet it cost them to make this phone like $1 or $2. I wouldn't be surprised, honestly. So there's better phones out there. Save your money. Even if it's just $60. Look around. You're going to find better stuff than this. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.